What's up, folks? So I got filter change maintenance PMs here. Just changed them out. You can hear the squeak, man. I could barely even make a video, so we come over here and drop the door down one-handed and woo-wee. You can see how she's riding. As you can see, she's pretty loose and bouncy. Nice and easy change out. Boom. Let's see what she says. Ooh, dropped it. AX48. Well, looky what was over by the access. So we're gonna put it on the belt. Shim, motor shim. Come over to the pulley. Get it halfway around. Imagine that, nice and tight. I don't even have to line it. It gets better with it. See what she sounds like when she starts up. Little crunch of cream. Still got a nice bounce to it, but nice and quiet. We could adjust that down a little tighter, I guess. We want to be professionals, but it's Monday. We just had a hurricane. That's good enough for Nate, though.